Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. I hope you are all well. Today, I am here in front of you to mm, explain a very important tips. I mean, Islamic tips as well uh, for those who love Islam and who research Islam. It is very essential for them because it is AI chatbot. I am telling about a Islamic chatbot named Salamchat. Now you can ask me what is this utility? This Islamic chatbot, Salam chatbot, is very essential for us for knowing Islam, for knowing Quran, for knowing Hadith. Because whatever you ask about the related of Islam, Quran, and Hadith, the Islamic chatbot, Salam chatbot, will answer you with a few seconds. And it is very amazing that you will get answer with proper reference. It is very amazing and fantastic chatbot. I have used it for many days. Now I will tell you how can you use it and how can you ask question about Islam and Quran Hadith. Let's go to the desktop screen. Dear viewers, you are watching the channel of Lutfur Rahman, the digital expert. Dear viewers, we are now in the desktop screen. Now we will know how to use Salam chatbot. You can use also in mobile by using Chrome browser, but at first you have to change the mood, desktop mode. You have to change your Chrome browser. If you want to use this Salam chatbot in Chrome browser in your mobile, you have to change your mood. You have to open the desktop mode. So let's check it out in our desktop screen. At first you have to go Chrome browser. Now I will open the Chrome browser. Now write to the search bar APP dot SALAM salam dot chat CHAT app dot salam dot chat. Hit the enter. Now it is clear. This is the main home page of some chatbot. Now you can ask a question by typing here your question here. Now I will ask a English question. What is Siam? What is Siam? Now you can hit the enter button from the keyboard, or you can press this icon here as well. Now the generating start. How fast the Salam chatbot will answer you. Look at this. Siam, also known as Siam or Saum, refers to the Islamic practice of fasting. It is one of the 5 pillars of Islam and is observed by Muslims worldwide during the month of Ramadan. How fast? Very. And you can also the reference you can see here. The Quran states in Surah Al-Baqarah ayat number সহকারে আপনাদের দেখাচ্ছে. The Quran states in Surah Al-Baqarah can have the mentioned ayat number of Surah Al-Baqarah. Who have believed decreed upon you as fasting as it was decreed upon those before you, that you may become righteous. Translated by Shahi International. This is the reference, and also you can see here the Sahih Bukhari. Every answer the Salam chatbot will tell you about the reference from where its origins, from where it origins, or where the source of this information. The Salam chatbot will tell you the reference. It is very amazing. I like this. If you want to say something, ask something in Bangla, you can write here in Bangla. I রমজানের ফজিলত কি? দেখেন রমজানের ফজিলত কিন্তু আমাদেরকে দেখাচ্ছে। দেন রমজানের ফজিলতটা কিন্তু আমাদেরকে দেখাচ্ছে। বাংলা তো সার্চ করা যাবে আগে। অ্যাকচুয়ালি এখানে ইউ ক্যান সার্চ in Bengali language. So this is the main tutorial. I hope you will love it. If you like this video, please subscribe. You are requested that you will subscribe my channel. I request you, and you are invited also to watch my next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more information and regular update. Please stay tuned with me, www.lutfor11.com. Thanks.